everyone, today we are going to solve GFG's problem of the day, count special numbers. In this problem, we are given an array ARR of size n consisting of positive integers, and our task is to find the count of special numbers in the array. A number is said to be a special if it is divisible by at least another element of the array. Like in the first test case, n is equal to 3 and the array is 2, 3, 6. So for number 2 there is not another number which will divide 2. So for this it is not a special number. For 3 there is not another number which will divide 3. So it is also not a special number. For 6 there are two numbers 2 and 3 which will divide 6. So 6 is a special number. So count of special numbers in the array will be 1. So we will output 1. And for the next test case, 5, 5, 5, for this 5, there are 3 others 5 which will divide this 5. So this 5 is a special number, this is also a special, this 5 also, and this 5 also. So total there are 4 special numbers in the array. So we will output 4. So let's see the approach for this problem. The approach will be very simple. Like if in my array 2, 3, if my array is like this 8 and 16 and something like 4. So if I got 2, I will mark all of the multiples of true as a special number. Like for 2, if in array 4 is present, then that will be a special because 2 is present in the array. If 2's multiple 6 is present in array, then that will be special because 2 is present in the array. And similarly 2's multiple 8 and so on. We will generate all the multiples of current number, like in our case is 2. So we will generate all the multiples of 2 and mark them as special numbers. So 4, 6, 8, 10, all of these are special numbers. And at the end I will check is this number is special or not. Similarly for 3, I will generate all the multiples of 3 and mark them special numbers. So first multiple will be 6 and then 9 and then 12 and then 15. I will mark all of these as special numbers. And at the end I will iterate in array. My array was 2, 3, 8, 16, 4. So I will check if 2 is marked as a special number or not. Similarly 3 is marked as a special number or not. And 8, 16 and 4. I will check for all these numbers, and if these are marked as a special, then I will increase my count. And at the end I will return my count. I also have to take care of frequency case. Like if 2 is present twice in the array, 2, 2, 4, something like this, then this 2 is also a special number because frequency of 2 is 2. So another 2 will definitely divide this. So both 2's are special numbers here. So I will keep track of frequency as well. So I will keep track of two things, like I will mark all the multiples of a number as special numbers, and I will keep track of frequency. So if any number's frequency of ARR I is greater than 1, means greater than equal to 2, then it is a special number, or special ARR I is true. In either of the cases, I have to increase the count, and at the end I will return the count. I hope you understand what is the logic for this. Like suppose my array is 2, 6 and then 18. So first I will mark all of the multiples of 2, and those are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and 16 till 18. I will mark till maximum number which is present in array, because we cannot go till infinity. We have to go till maximum number which is present in our array. So in our case it is 18. So I will go till 18. Then for 6 I will mark 12 and then 18, then 24. So all of these are specials. And in case of 18 is the max value present in the array. So I will not mark. And as well I will mark the frequency of each element. Like 2's frequency is 1, 6 frequency is 1, 18th frequency is 1. And at the end I will iterate in my array like 2, 6, 18, and I will check if 2's frequency is greater than 1 or 2 is a special number. So 2 is not a special number, so I will not increase the count. For 6 is marked as a special number, so I will increase the count. And for 18 is also marked as a special number, so I will increase the count, and the counter will be at the end 2. I will return 2. So the code for this will be very simple. So let's see how we will write this. So at first we will create a maximum element. So in max I will store what is the maximum value present in the array. So I will use the stl function, or I can iterate in array as well. So yeah, and a vector for storing frequency, I will make this at the end. And in this array I will store the frequency of each element, and I will iterate in my ARR, and I will maximize my max element. So max of e comma max, and I will also increase the frequency, like, okay, in next step I will increase the frequency. So after doing this, once again I will iterate in array, and what I will do, I will store the frequency of this element. I will increase the frequency, then I will check if this value is not marked yet, or if this value is not widgeted. Then I will continue, because we don't need to do this multiple times. Like if I have already marked all the multiples of 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, then if again I encounter 2 in my array like this, I don't need to mark again 2's multiple, because I have already marked. So I will keep track of this as well, so that our time complexity will be something around n into m. So yeah, otherwise I will mark this widgeted, and I will mark all of the multiples of current number. So int j is equal to 2 into ARRI, and j will be smaller than equal to mx, and j plus equal to ARR. So in this for loop I'm iterating all of the multiples of my array, and in my special array j is equal to 1. So yeah, here I'm marking this number is special, and I will create two arrays, one for boolean, okay, one for widgeted and one for special. So vector of bool, and initially all of these are unwidgeted, and then special as well. And all numbers are not a special number. So yeah, and at the end I will iterate in my final array, and I will check if this number's frequency is greater than 1, means greater than equal to 2, frequency of is greater than 1, or this number is special. In either case I will increase my count. I have to make this as well, and at the end I will return my count. So hopefully this should work. Okay, so n is not declared. Let's change this to small n. Some typos are there, but yeah, that doesn't matter. Okay, so it is working for sample test case. Let's submit this, and yeah, it works. So thank you guys for watching.